What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video of the Stihl MS-195G chainsaw. Now it will get used again at some point because one's because I know since the fact this thing is gonna get used again, and two it did get used during the winter time, which I know that because you can tell this thing's gotta get used almost like quite a bit. And it will get used again at some point this year because I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 again because it did get used it did get used last year, so I know that since the fact this thing got used almost like quite a bit because, and now too, so I hope at some point you can see, but well, you can see this thing changes. It's like in ball oil a little bit, which I don't know that's normal, and you can see it on this chainsaw exactly because well, because you know what I expected on this machine exactly because it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but the one thing I issue with something like this because it's definitely what it is on this machine exactly because you can see how much expected this thing exactly because, well, because you know how suspected the scene chainsaw exactly, but I promise that the scene will get used this year again for 2025 again because I know since the fact it will get used again this year because you just see this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw in my opinion, and I do love this chainsaw.